How do you customize a shelf in Maya? If you click on the gear icon over here, go to Shelf Editor. One of the things up here you have is options. By default is icon only. So you see the icon label or the icon image that you selected here, and under it, it will have the label with it. So if I go choose text only, it will only show the text that we have. And if we have icon and text below, you have the icon and you have a longer name of the text. So for example, on the shelf, we have reset transform. The reset transform, all of that text will actually show up there instead of just the short name. And then you also have text beside. So instead of under it, it'll be on beside it. So I usually keep it an icon only, but choose the one that works best for you. So when you, for each shelf here, when you choose the item in there that you created, you could change, this is the icon preview, what it would look like. You could change the icon name up here. You could change it says automatic width here. That's where the icon, if you actually select an image, here's the label that'll actually show up. And then you have the tooltip of like if you float over it and like hover and stay for a while, then you'll see the tooltip. Let me close this and hover over this. You'll see selected object. So if you click, go back to the shelf editor, click on the gear, select my shelf. You could type in a tooltip to tell exactly how to use it. So this one actually gives a code here. You could choose an icon. By default in the past, the icon width used to be 32 by 32, 32 pixels by 32 pixels, and you had to use like a BMP, like a bitmap, and like XMP, I think was the file format. But now I think you could choose other ones, and you could choose different icon size. You could click here, and now it just says labels over here. Basically images. You could choose not just those limited ones as it was in the past. You could also go back and edit the actual command. So if you select one of your icons in the shelf editor here and go to the command tab, it will actually show you the command. This is the mel command, the reset transform. If you click on the one that we created earlier and go to command, this is everything that we copied from the history of the script editor. So you could go in and edit this. Like for example, this is a double slash. A double slash in mel is a comment. Basically, that's just a note for the user to read. It doesn't actually execute code. So if I deleted that and put it up here and go back and say save all shelves, and I'll click on it, it will still work just because the comment doesn't actually do anything. And if you want to reorder the shelves, I mentioned earlier, I pressed that to reset, but you could right click and delete if you want to delete the icon or the button. And if you want to reorder it, you middle mouse button, click and hold, and you drag it, and where the line is, we'll put in that order over there. So that's how you could reorder things.
And if some parts of this felt a little too fast, or you're not quite confident using the tools just yet, that's totally okay. The 3D Character Accelerator was made to fix that problem fast. If you're a complete beginner, we walk you through everything step by step so you can create portfolio-ready 3D character models in just 14 days, even if you've never used Blender before. If you're already a bit more experienced, this program will help you sharpen your workflow, learn faster ways to sculpt and render, and create characters that actually stand out online. You'll find the link in the description. Check it out, see if it's a good fit, and decide from there. Thanks again for watching. Hope you learned something new, and I'll see you in the next one. If you found this helpful, give it a like, drop a comment to share your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe. Enable notifications to stay updated on future videos.